Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I will show you how to recover deleted photos in Android in 2025. This is a 100% working method and I will share both the built-in restore feature and a file recovery app, plus a bonus tip at the end so you will never lose photos again. Okay, let's get started. Nowadays, most Android phones already have a restore feature, so when you delete a photo or a video or even a file, it doesn't disappear immediately. Here's what to do. But first, I will demonstrate to delete the photo, for example, like this, and then just tap the three dots menu, this one, and then tap on recently deleted items. And here, inside this part or inside this folder, all your deleted files are stored temporarily for 30 days. As long as you are still within that time, just tap on the photo that you want and then hit restore. For example, like this, just tap on the photo and then tap on restore. Like this. And then your photo will be back like this. But what if these 30 days are already over or the files isn't and recently deleted? Don't worry, you can use a recovery app. Here's how. Just open the Play Store and then search for photo recovery. This one. Just install it and once installed it, just open the app. Like this. And then you will see several tools for recovering photos, video, or even audio, document, and many more. And since we're focusing on photos, so just choose the photo recovery, this one. And then in here, you will see two choices. Scan all files. Will check your entire phone, which takes longer. And then scan deleted files. This feature is faster and only looks for files that were recently deleted. And for this example, I will type scan deleted files and then just wait for the moment. Like this. You will see your deleted photos appear again like this. Just select the ones that you want and then tap on restore and they're back on your phone. And next, here's a quick bonus tip so you never lose data again. Just go back to your gallery and then just turn on back up to Google Photos, or you can also tap on settings, this one, and then to settings, and then just tap on backup, this one, and then get started, and then just turn it on. And from now on, all your photos will be automatically backed up to Google Photo. Even if you delete them from your phone, you can still access them online. And okay, that's it. Now you know how to recover deleted photos on Android using both the built-in feature and a recovery app, plus how to stay safe with automatic backup. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.